This sale consists of a house on 3 floors and an outbuilding which could be renovated in central Italy. Just 5 minutes from the vibrant town of Lanciano, Castel Frentano offers a peaceful lifestyle with cafes, shops and traditional Italian character. Today we're visiting a house in Castel Frentano in the centre, off the main street, and the house that is for sale is this one. We'll take a look inside. The access, there are two entrances, one from this street here and then another one from the street above on the next floor. There's 3 floors altogether. This is the lounge and the ground floor with its own entrance. And in here it's a little bit dark, but there is a kitchen area. And currently there's a very quirky bathroom. So if we duck and go in here through this little tunnel, we can see, well, we can't see, but it's a bit dark, but there is a bathroom here. And what they've done is they've built it inside the room next door, inside the cantina next door. So we'll just go and have a look in the cantina before we go upstairs, so I can show you the bathroom from the other side. So in the cantina, we can see that the walls are red brick, red and yellow brick. There's a boiler there, a sink. And this building, this structure here, is the bathroom, but it could be modified. Could be made bigger or adjusted. This is the back wall, again in red brick. And there's also a fireplace. And they use this area as a utilities room. This room could be modified and made into a great space. But at the moment, it's more like an outbuilding. But a nice red brick structure. Okay. Now we'll have a look upstairs. So currently there's only one bathroom on the ground floor. But there could be additional bathrooms if required. Subject to permissions and subject to the design. Usually an architect would check this, or a geometer would check if it's okay and where the best place is to have a bathroom. This is bedroom with a balcony. We are just off the main street. So the main street that runs through Castel Frentano. And through this door, we arrive at the street above, which is the 3rd street away. So it is car accessible. You could park outside. And there is the house. The roof has been maintained well, as we'll go up and have a look. On the wall we can see mains gas. It's not currently on. Here we can see the building from the side. So this is the outbuilding down below, and this is the house, the full house. We are selling the full house with this outbuilding, and it's attached to one neighbour at either side. And the neighbour's house is in good condition as well, which is a good thing. Inside there is another level upstairs, so we'll go and have a look up on the next level, which is under the roof. Here we have windows, 2 windows to let the air flow through. These girders have been added to the roof to support the roof. And the condition in here is pretty good. Could be improved, but for the attic it's pretty good. The floors are the original floor space, and all the furniture is included. You can see by the amount of beds in this house that a lot of people lived here at one stage. This is the original wooden door. More beds. And the stairs going down. So there's opportunities with this house, with it being right in the centre of Castel Frentano, close to shops and services, schools, a few kilometres from the large town of Lanciano. There are many possibilities with this house, and 2 separate entrances as well to the different floors. Maybe this room could be, it could either be 2 bedrooms or an office, or it could be a bedroom with an ensuite with a separate entrance. Okay, back down again to the ground level. The house is on this street, and at the top of these steps there's another street, and the first floor entrance to the property is on this street. Here, if I zoom in, we can see that entrance. And then there's free parking here on the road. So there's plenty of parking. Here we can actually get a better view of the mountain. There we can see that Castel Frentano has views of the mountain. And this is the main road. For more information, please email inquiries@ariimmobiliari.com. Like and subscribe to see more videos in the future.